Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to give you the solutions regarding week 1 quiz of programming data structures and algorithms using Python. So friends, if you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for further updates. So I will try my level best to give you the most accurate answers. So in this video I'm going to give you the solutions regarding week 1. So friends, please watch the video till the end without skipping, because if I make any changes you will be able to note those changes if you watch the video till the end. So coming to first question, what is the value of f of 846 for the function below? So they have given a code snippet and they are asking about the value of x. If the value of x is 846, then what this function returns. So it returns the value 7. So just type the answer 7 in the box they have given. And coming to the second question, what is h of 41 minus h of 40, given the definition of h below? So for this code, what is, if n value is 41 and we will get a value yes, so for n equal to 40 we will also get other value yes. So the first function minus second function's result we should enter in this blank. So if we do this, we will get the answer again 7 only. So if you see this, first answer is 7, second answer is also 7. And coming to third one, for third question, for what value of n would g of 57 comma n return 7? It means res is equal to 7, then what would be g of 57 comma n? Then n value is, we have to find that. So the n value is 8. So the n value here is 8. So for g of 57 comma 8, it returns res value as 7. So coming to fourth question, consider the following function mys. So fourth question, they have given a code with function mys of m, and they have given following options. So the answer for fourth question is fourth option, that is the function terminates for positive n with mys of n equal to factorial of n. It means mathematically we can represent it as mys of n equal to n factorial. This is the meaning of fourth option. So if you see this, the answer for fourth question is option 4. So I'm going to submit these answers now. So friends, if you find this video helpful, subscribe my channel, like this video and share to your friends. Until then, be safe, be happy. Thank you. Bye.